This product is made with recycled content as part of our ambition to end plastic waste. Lifetime warranty, built to last. Wipe-able material for easy spot cleaning with soap and water. Zippered bottom ball pocket that can hold a size 5 soccer ball inside or be worn on the outside in a mesh pocket. 2 side mesh water bottle pockets that fit up to 32 ounces bottles. Water-resistant base material to keep your stuff dry. Zippered pocket with ventilation to air out your dirty shoes and gear. Plenty of room for team embroidery and branding. Top reviews from the United States. Great soccer bag. Bought this for my son who is playing competitive soccer for the first time. He needed a bag that would hold all his gear and a change of clothes. This bag is perfect. He likes how easily he can put his ball away, and it holds everything with room to spare. We just got it, but it seems well made and like it will last for a good while. He says it is comfortable to carry, even when full. Very happy with it.